Welcome back. My wayward BFF Randy has returned from a spiritual retreat. Had half the town looking for him. He's off on a spiritual retreat. I mean, let a brother know next time, you know? Today we're looking at this Troy Bilt riding mower again. It's been sitting here mocking me, probably costing me money in property taxes. I don't know. My goal is to get this thing on the Facebook Marketplace and out of my yard. And she's got a little rattle in the back that sounds like a tin cans being flushed down a toilet. One of the deck spindles, that right there, is in hard decline. Randy says if we just spray enough WD-40 on it, the noise becomes the next guy's problem, but I think we're actually going to fix it. I've been avoiding this repair like it's a family reunion, but it needs to go. And it's not like that I dislike the mower, I just dislike the fact that it keeps expecting things from me. So I went ahead and took the battery out to see if I could see what was going on, and it's got some rattly stuff right there. So, and that looks like the brake. Yeah, the transaxle brake. So maybe that's what's causing it. And also the transmission bypass rod down here, I think is what it's called. Got some rattling going on. So maybe if I can get that tightened up a little bit, then that'll get rid of most of my rattle. Randy keeps saying it's probably a loose heat shield. It's not a loose heat shield, Randy! Let's see if we can fix these rattles. Now, if the bear has taught me anything, it's that everything in a high-stress kitchen situation requires screaming. And I think the same rules apply to a hot garage when replacing a spindle or chasing down a vibration or rattle. It's not the heat shield, Randy! For the last time! This thing doesn't even have a heat shield. Looking for rattly things. Looking for rattly things. I wonder. That doesn't seem like it can be adjusted. So what is a boy to do? Well, it doesn't allow for good braking either. That ride's just gonna have to be shorter in some way. So that brake is not working at all like that, and it's all because this guy right here is just loosey-goosey. Needs to be tightened up. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. Alright. Let's see if that does anything. I think I made it worse. So it is the next day. It was getting kind of late last night, so I called it quits. But I think I got the noises solved. I didn't record any of it because I was pretty annoyed with it. And you guys deserve better than that. You do. But the next thing I'm going to do is try to get the noises in deck spindles sorted out. I've got one. It's an old one, used one, but I think it's all right. But I'm gonna get that swapped out, get the deck back on there, and then see where we are from there. Man, it's hot. I went and sprayed the deck off, cleaned it off, got all the dirt and mud off of it. So while that's drying, I'm going to adjust the valves. I had to take a moment, get cooled off. I stopped sweating for about half an hour thinking I'd hit some sort of medical milestone. So I went and got some more fans. If I sweat directly into the engine, is that considered synthetic oil? Briggs & Stratton says to adjust these valves cold. I don't know if I can do that. It's hotter than the devil's butthole out here. Precision work being performed by a man who's lost about 3 pounds of water weight. Humidity's so thick, I think my wrench just hydro locked. Let's get back to it. Well, intake is 4 to 6, so I'm just gonna go 5. Seems pretty good. Let's see where that went. Oh yeah, that's perfect. 700s, 7 thousandths. About right there. Pretty good. All right. I won't film the next one since it's the same exact thing. I think this lawnmower hates me. Got everything adjusted. Cranked it up and it ran good for a little while and then it just stopped. Now it won't crank at all. See if it's shooting fuel. Interesting. It's shooting fuel now. For some reason the fuel pump stopped working. I think it's got something to do with this right here, probably not making a good seal or something, so I'm going to see if I can come up with something for that. Alright, before bolting that down, let's see if that fixed it. Please, Lord. Alright, so now I just need to get the hood back on it, deck back under it, clean it up, take some photos, put it on Marketplace. Somebody's going to offer me less than half of asking price. See what we can get. Now getting these decks back on and hooked up, it's not particularly difficult or hard to understand. But for some reason, I would rather sit through a seminar on cryptocurrency than have to deal with them. Well, let's get her on. All right, let's try her. Nope, nope. Gotta put this on. Now let's try her.